The proper care of your Dreamway unit is just as important as a good night's sleep. We'll begin with a mixture of lukewarm water and a mild soap that is scent and moisturizer free. Agitate the Dreamway interface back and forth for 20 to 30 seconds to immerse it fully in the soapy solution. Then let it soak for 10 minutes. Following the soak, rinse thoroughly in fresh water, ensuring that all soap residue is removed and allowed to air dry. Be sure to keep all parts of your Dreamway interface out of direct sunlight. Do not wash the mask in the dishwasher or in boiling hot water. Do not clean the mask with products that contain chlorine bleach, moisturizer, antiseptics, antibacterial agents, or alcohol. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your DreamPort Sleep Solution. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at info@bleepsleep.com.